This is a very exciting event to be part of. So let me introduce who we are and what we do, especially related to automating our workflow. So D.TO stands for Design Together, where we are developing an AI-driven design support platform for architects. As our name suggests, our main goal is to become a design companion to empower architects' daily practice, especially focusing on area we believe where the industry struggle the most. First of all, our team is all from the AEC industry, not just these four founding core team, but almost all members are either architects slash architectural designers or software people with AEC software development experience. We believe that this is very beneficial for us to identify real pain points within architects' daily practice and provide practical solutions to empower architects themselves. So with that, our goal is to provide a very useful tool rather than a fancy fed up technology that just follow the trend. So diving into the topic, automation of our workflow, we believe that there are two distinctive automation types. We call divergence and convergence. So divergence could mean exploring possible variation from a set of parameters. Early design stage, we would want to quickly evaluate multiple design options with a given set of design parameters. The main example is computational parametric design approach and generative AI, which can really improve pre-schematic design phase. And obviously, there are many great tools in the market we all enjoy. The other one, convergence, which is the opposite concept. It is helping you to narrow down the amount of information you need to review and eventually guide you to the best solution among them. Such as optimization, decision tree algorithm, or prediction AI sort of things would be good examples of it. D.TO has been focusing on the convergent automation aspect because we think we can provide a curated workflow to design problems by having a sequence of convergent automations. For example, we can help you choose the best design approach from many possible options, then help you find the most relevant design reference for that approach, then assist you to come up with the best solution for the design approach you chose earlier. I mean, of course, we can always add more layers to this concept, but the main idea is that as design project move forward at certain point, we all need to make decisions to complete the project. So as I mentioned, during pre and schematic design phase, the divergent automation approach is very powerful because, yes, as we all know, you need to explore many different options. But once you have a great schematic design set during DD and CD phase, now the convergent automation can play a big role in resolving all those complex construction detailing process. So we believe that this is the crucial aspect of design project, and that's the area where D.TO is focusing on automating. So first step is a curation of design guidance and solution. At a callout detail view level, our agent identifies the design problem. For this case, on the left side, is a parapet condition with rain screen, CMU backup, membrane roofing. then provides a curated list of design reference the designer must consider to properly complete this specific design problem. Then also provide a high quality detailed solution where architect can utilize to jumpstart their detailed workflow. Here, what we would like to achieve by the convergent automation is cut down all unnecessary time and effort to search useful design references, energy code lines, building science background knowledge, and other things. So basically, all information you need to complete this design. It is very hard to show with an image, but our detailed solution in the middle is actually a vector-based interactive diagram where you can hover, zoom in, zoom out, click to further narrow down the information get displayed on the right panel. For example, if you click on insulation part, D.TO will show only insulation and thermal related design guidance. So another layer of convergent automation. And we can expand this to a building plan or section scale. Now what we do here is that our agent automatically analyzes a wall section or floor plan and populates callout views in Revit in this case at location where you where you need to resolve detail for. So again, this is a convergent automation narrowing down the design scope you need to tackle on. The product search also can benefit from convergent automation. There are many products you can search online, and there are many great web platforms you can use for searching for products. But here, D.TO utilized the interactive design diagram again to make product search super easy. For example, if you want to explore rain screen product, you simply click a rain screen element in our diagram while you're working on this detail. Then our agent will deliver only relevant product information right in front of you. Of course, it uses other parameters as well, such as project location, design condition, such as like roof parapet for this case, climate zone, or etc., to further curate which products are most relevant. So these are a few features that we're really trying to bring the convergent automation approach. Now, I also like to show our vision, the true AI vision from D.TO. We are developing an AI companion that can read and understand drawings and design workflows, then interact with you in real time to support every step of your construction detail process. This will include all previous features. So it will give you summarized design references, design solution, and even bring BIM component that you will need for your drafting task or Revit view, for example, so that you can just import and kickstart your detailing process. And also think of it as having a senior architect next to you, someone who can flag potential issues in real time and guide you toward a stronger design outcomes. So our goal is not just a tool, rather it's more like a virtual design mentor built to grow alongside your daily practice. Now, I want to close with real-time, real-world pilot result. So one of our customer did the pilot testing without a D.TO. There were two junior architect got task for insulated wall panel and roof detail. The result was quite dramatic. They basically showed like 85% time saving for one detailed drawing production. So they're happy, and we are also happy. So if you like to have more conversation with us, please scan this QR code or visit dtoac.com and book a demo. Thank you very much.